Welcome back. It's now time for the business review. In this week's edition, we hear the journey of Jamaica's first ever selfie studio. Here's Cody and Barrett.
Kay Smith, the founder of Shop Bouge, started her entrepreneur journey with a small online custom press-on nail store that quickly expanded into an extensive skincare and makeup line, then accessories and a selfie store. The journey began with simply needing something more convenient.
I was doing acrylic constantly, and I decided to go and search for some press-on nails because my nail beds got really weak. Could not find any in Jamaica, so I decided to make my own. So let me post it on Instagram, and people liked it. They were asking, how much can I pay for this and pay for this? And so I decided to start working with a nail artist, and we started doing custom press-on nails.
And one small investment of $200, Kay's press-on nails launched in 2018 as the first of its kind in Jamaica. But when demand skyrocketed in the pandemic due to persons moving away from lengthy nail appointments, Kay Smith had to think fast. She secured a spot in Fontana, which also helped to beat the online competition. But it was through doing pop-up shops that she decided it was time to open a store. That and the fact that her sales for a day compared to the same online for a month.
Some of my customers from out of town, they would say, oh, they don't have this in Fontana. Can you send this to Fontana? And I would say, yeah, we can send it straight to you by delivery. They say, oh no, I want to see it in real life. I want to feel it. I want to touch it. So I realized, maybe Jamaica's not completely ready for an online space.
There were some delays in getting the storefront, but in September, Shop Bouge was officially opened in Mall Plaza on Constant Spring Road in St. Andrew, with more options than just nails.
The space is so big, I could never just sell one product. So I decided to just expand and, bring people more things. Everything that's in here is our brand except for Burley's bags.
But the unique introduction is 24/7 Pose, a selfie studio within the store with a makeup artist on site.
I have seen selfie studios in London, or the ice cream museum in the US, and I thought that's a really cool idea. A lot of people, they go to restaurants really not really for the food, them go for take the picture them. So I decided to bring a space here where people could get their nice pictures taken. We can take it for you, or you can take it yourself.
While Press-On Nails still has its customers, the selfie studio has been turning heads whenever customers enter the store. The studio has two themes, 90s and fantasy. The themes are expected to change every few months.
It's up to you how you use the space, how you want it to be. And of course, as I said, we're going to change it. So there's always going to be something new. For Christmas, there's going to be a grotto so the kids can come and take a picture with Santa.
Shop Bouge made its debut in Kingston, but plans to expand to other parishes are in the pipeline. With the Business Review, I'm Cody Ann Barrett.